name is Guadalupe Gonzalez.
And my name is Annabelle Chow, and we are representing John H. Pittman High School, and this is FBLA Computer Game and Simulation Programming. So our game is called Business and Balance, which is going to be a visual novel that includes mini games along in the story. The overall purpose of the game is that a broke college student has to make decisions in order to determine their outcome in life. And there will be 9 outcomes in total, all of which will be determined by the 2 variables, wealth and happiness. And based on the player's performance in the mini games as well as the choices that they make, this will either raise or lower the wealth and happiness points, which is what will determine what ending you get.
The programming engine that we use to create our game would be Unity Engine 316 F1, and the animation engine we use along within Unity to create the animations for that. We use LibreSprite for the pixel. This is a visual demonstration of our game title page. Here you can see the buttons Start, Load, Configuration, Gallery, Element, Quit. We have our title there. We have the necessary UI and functions. We also have a functional save and load function. And we have settings in case you wanted to change the volume or the text speed. And there's also a gallery for backgrounds and some placeholders in there so you can see how that looks like. And there's a visual representation of what the visual novel would look like through the dialogue, the way it looks, the more grainy aesthetic we went for. For documentation, we use Unity URP, Tunicolors Pro 2, as well as online access to Unity and URP.
And some of the platforms that we use for the sound design as well as art you'll see in a few slides later is Procreate, Sprite, Illustrate, Speech, BandLab, and Music Lab.
This is a representation of the source code that we use to create information about each character and each specific sprite and what functions that would have as the visuals inside of the game. So when a character faces left or right, colors of the text, and ultimately the implementation of character change within the visual novel through a text script. Here's more source code.
We're showing the speaker name,
About
and now we need to customize
music,
speaker data.
like specific tracks, as well as just overall UI function, one snippet of very many scripts.
Like I mentioned earlier, this is some of the art that will be included in the game. On the left, you can see the character designs for some of the characters, well, in the visual novel. And then on the right, you can see the pixel art sprite that will be used in one of the games. And on the bottom right, you can see just how the formatting the visual novel will look. And these are just more visuals of the platforms, BandLab, Music Lab. You can also see the interface of what Procreate looks like.
Thank you.